To add a favicon on Shopify, you need to have a basic understanding of how the platform works and the importance of a favicon. For your online store, a favicon is a small icon that appears in the browser tab next to your store's title and is a crucial element in establishing your brand's identity. First, you need to prepare your favicon image. It should be a square image with a minimum size of 16 by 16 pixels and a maximum size of 32 by 32 pixels. The recommended format is PNG or ICO. Next, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the online store section. Then click on Themes and select the Customize Theme option. In the theme editor, click on the Actions drop-down menu and select Edit Code. This will take you to the code editor where you can modify your store's theme files. In the code editor, navigate to the Layout folder and click on the Theme Liquid file. This is where you will add the favicon code. To add the favicon, you need to upload your favicon image to the Assets folder. To do this, click on the Add a New Asset button and select your favicon image from your computer. Once the image is uploaded, you can add the favicon code to the Theme Liquid file. The code should look something like this. Link rel icon type image PNG href your favicon image URL. After adding the favicon code, click on the Save button to save the changes. And then click on the Preview button to see how your favicon looks in the browser. Finally, to make the changes live, click on the Publish button, and your favicon will be visible to all your customers. Remember to test your favicon on different devices and browsers to ensure it looks good and works as expected. By following these steps, you can easily add a favicon to your Shopify store and give it a professional look.